Here's my car in the garage. Here is about 1.5 feet of snow in front of my garage. Let's see if Nanook of the North can get her snowblower going. Well, as you can see, I'm getting there, little by little. We've had quite a bit of snow, more than I thought. We've got about 1.5 feet. Christmas decorations are still up, at least some of them. Some have blown down either due to the weight of the snow or the wind. A few branches, I wouldn't be surprised if bigger branches fell due to the weight of the snow, and some parts of Connecticut lost electricity. Here we have heavy snow weighing down bushes. I'm going to have to clear that, otherwise the bushes could snap and become deformed. Don't look too bad. My town does a pretty good job of clearing the snow off. Another down Christmas decoration due to the weight of the snow and wind. Well, at least I don't have to climb up on my ladder and take it down. When life gives you lemon, you make lemonade. Well, I thought I was done, but see that smokestack on top of my roof? That's coming from a wood stove. I use a wood stove to cut my oil heating bill in half. And I can't complain because I get the wood for free. But guess where the wood is? Right there, below that. So my work's not over yet. Success! Below that tarp lies a pile of wood. There's only one problem. I don't know if you can see this in the video, but it's still snowing. That means it's been snowing here about 15 hours. So, looks like we're going to get another couple inches, which means I'm going to have to come back here tonight, out here again, clear some more snow. As Mark Twain said, if you don't like Connecticut weather, wait a minute. And here's the snowblower that's doing most of my work. It's an MTD electric start. I bought this used about 20 years ago and paid $200 for it. I've put about $125 worth of parts into it, and it's still running, although the electric start has long since died. And yes, that is tape holding on the handle, and a few other paper clips can be seen here and there, but it does the job, and it does not owe me a dime. So, gotta get back to work. This is Joyce from Advertise You, Newington, Connecticut, in the January snowstorm, January 2011.